I will use this video to demonstrate how to create a new application on Utilize. In this video, I want to create a new application to manage my tasks, and the tasks are in this task management spreadsheet. This spreadsheet has, I have managers, I have employees. These are the two different kind of roles that would want to log into this application. Now, to create a new app on Utilize, you'll first have to log in. After you log in, you'll see this button called Create New App. Please click on it. After we click on this, there are two ways to create a new application. Either you can create one from your existing Google Sheet, or you can or you can copy or clone one of our sample apps into your account. For the purposes of this video, I will create a new app from one of the existing Google Sheets. So right now we support only Google Sheets, but in the future we'll be supporting other data sources as well. Like you can see here, Shopify, Microsoft Excel. If you want to use Microsoft Excel today, you can upload it on Google Sheets, import it on Google Sheets, and convert it into Google Sheet. There is a way to do that. The only requirement for linking a Google Sheet to Utilize is that the first row of the Google Sheet should have the column names. This is how Utilize understands the structure of your sheet. Let's go ahead and select my task management sheet. I've selected my task management sheet, and as you can see, Utilize has understood what are the different columns and what is the type of these different columns. Like these columns are date, this column is a number, this column is an image. Utilize has understood all these details about your sheet, which will help you create and customize the application quite easily. After we have reviewed, okay, this is what our sheet is, we go ahead to the next step. The next step is the user step. This step will basically be used to understand how your users or configure how your users will log in. If you already have a user sheet in your spreadsheet, like I do, employees and managers, then you don't have to do anything. If you don't have a user sheet, you first have to go to your spreadsheet, create a new user sheet like this. Let's say your user sheet, and provide either email or phone number of the employees. And this I'll say Jatin, uh, get the phone number and my email ID. After you do that, you can go to this task management sheet. After you create a user sheet in your spreadsheet, you can come back to Utilize, click on Reload Sheet, and then select your user sheet. But in my case, I already had a couple of user sheet, which was employees and managers. So I'll just go ahead and select that. You can create multiple applications from one spreadsheets for different roles. For example, I have two roles. One is managers and the other is employees. For managers, my user sheet is managers. For employees, my user sheet is employees. So I select this. After that we have to configure how will the managers log in. So the managers will log in either using a one-time passcode on email or a one-time passcode on phone number. So we select where the email data is, where the manager's name data is, and we move forward. We do the same thing for the employee role. We say we configure where the email data is, we configure where the name data is, and we press done. Here now we have created two new applications, one for managers, one for employees. Now you can go ahead, publish this application and open it in a new on any browser to start using that application. Thank you.